Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create some of the easiest to use and most useful Excel tools out there. For over 16 years, we've been building tools that have helped more than 7,500 customers save time, reduce errors, and make their work and life just a little easier. Every week, we get emails from people like you sharing how much these tools have helped in their daily work. Hearing your feedback is what keeps us motivated to keep improving and creating even better tools for you, so keep it coming. Today, we're really excited to introduce one of our most requested tools, the CO2 Emissions Calculator for trucks. If you've been looking for an easy way to calculate emissions and generate reports, this is the tool for you. Let's dive in and show you how it works. The CO2 Emissions Calculator makes tracking your carbon footprint simple and efficient. It's all built in Excel, combining the power of the Google Maps API for distance calculations and the Carbon API for emissions calculations. Here's how to use it. First, paste your Google Maps API key and Carbon API key into the tool. We've created a step-by-step video to guide you through setting up the Google Maps API. For the Carbon API, simply visit their website, create an account, and generate your API key. Next, choose your units by going to the Settings tab. Choose between miles or kilometers, pounds or kilograms, and carbon output units like grams or metric tons. Now, add your data. Enter your trip details, including pickup and delivery locations. These can be full addresses, zip codes, or cities, though full addresses will give you the most accurate results. And then add the weight of the haul for each trip. Once you've done that, click the Calculate Distances button, and the tool will calculate the distance between each pickup and drop-off location. To calculate your emissions, hit Calculate Carbon, and the tool will calculate your CO2 emissions based on the distance and weight. If you need to change your units, just update your settings and recalculate. It's that easy. This tool takes the guesswork out of emissions reporting, so you can focus on running your business. If you're in trucking, logistics, or any business that involves hauling goods, this tool is a game changer. It makes emissions reporting quick and accurate, helping you meet environmental standards and save time. If you have questions or need help, we'd love to hear from you. Give us a call. Yes, we actually answer the phone. Our contact info is in the description, or you can contact us directly on our website via live chat. We're here to chat and help with whatever you need. Need something custom? No problem. We've done customizations for businesses and would be happy to tweak this tool to fit your specific needs. Plus, we're proud to have over 120 five-star Google reviews from real users who've experienced the difference our tools can make. These reviews highlight how our tools have helped businesses save time, reduce errors, and simplify their workflows. Don't just take our word for it. Take a moment to browse through the reviews and see what others are saying about how our tools have transformed their day-to-day tasks. Their feedback speaks volumes about the value and reliability we strive to deliver for you every day. Thanks so much for checking out our video. If you're ready to make emissions reporting easier, download the CO2 Emissions Calculator for trucks using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you've got questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time, happy calculating.